Welcome to Lesson Plus Driving School, Nottingham. Are you looking for reliable driving school in Nottingham? Do you want driving lessons at your required pace? Do you want driving lessons on your required day and time? If yes, then you are at the right place. Do you know why the pupils choose us for their driving lessons in Nottingham? Because we offer them full hour lesson, weekends lessons, full support by animated app, door-to-door pick and drop service. We share and provide learning videos for your driving, friendly environment during lesson, fast learning. We don't share car with any other learner during lesson. Evening lessons are also available on request. Always punctual. We deliver the driving lessons in 4 languages, English, Urdu, Hindi and Punjabi. 100% pass rate. For further details please visit our website www.lessonplus.co.uk.